morning to all. Welcome to the mathematics class measuring length. Sometimes we need to find the length of an object, the height of the building or distance between two places. In all such cases, we measure length. There are two different types of units to measure length. One is non-standard units of measuring length. Examples are handspan, palm, cubit, pace and foot span can be used to measure length. These are called non-standard units of measuring length because the size of handspan, palm, pace and foot span different from one person to another. Measure the length of the table at your home in handspan. Now ask an elder to do so. Are the length same? Definitely it is not same because your hand is small, your elder's hand is big. So the space, the distance is person to person is different. So these type of are called non-standard units of measuring length. We can also measure objects using other small objects like pencils, pen, rulers and paper clips. Here a boy Adarsh is measuring the length of the table in pen. The table is 5 pens long. Next, standard units of measuring length. If we use objects like a pencil or handspan to measure a given length, the answer will be different depending on the size of a pencil or handspan. Now I will measure 1, 2, 3. No, this is 2.5. So why the difference is? Because of your hand is small, my hand is big. To avoid this, we use a scale, a measuring tape or a meter rod which has fixed measures written on it. Meter is the standard unit of measuring length. In short, it is written as m, small m. It is a standard unit because it gives the same result everywhere. This is a meter rod. This meter rod is divided into 100 equal parts. Each part is called centimeter. In short, it is written as cm, small c, small m, centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Here 1 meter is written as small m. Centimeter also you should write small c, small m. Smaller lengths are measured in centimeters. We can use scale or tape to measure smaller lengths. Tyler measures with tape. Then you can measure a book length by using the small scale. This scale is 15 centimeters long. You must have seen this in your geometry box. It has 1 to 15 numbers, means 15 centimeters. Each number is 1 centimeter. 0 cm to 1 means 1 centimeter. 1 to 2 is another centimeter. Like 1 to 15 centimeters long.